topic of our storytelling session is Hello Asthama. Creak, a girl peeped through the door. May I come in? She asked. New entries are closed. Josh said. Everyone giggled. Tap tap. Miss Taylor's pen silenced the class. Yes, Asma. Asma walked to Miss Taylor's table. Her oily black hair was tied in tight pigtails. Class, Asma is your new classmate from Bangladesh. Asma, would you like to say something? Miss Taylor smiled at her. Hello, today is my first day in elementary school. Asma smiled. It's not elementary, it's middle school, Josh said. Laughter hiccuped in the room. Asma's smile faded. Class, she is learning English. I hope you will help her. Asma shuffled to her desk. Girls snickered as she passed them. Hello, Asthama, Josh murmured. Oh, you said it wrong, Asma said. It's Asma, A-S-M-A. Josh was my friend, but I hated when he teased the newcomers. Oh, come on, give them time. But he never listened. Soon, Miss Taylor tapped her pen and announced, Bring any gift for St. Mary's Orphanage. Why does such visits always come when I am short of money? I wrinked my nose. Mom wouldn't let me a single penny. In physical education, Mr. Jefferson asked Asma, Have you ever played basketball? No, but I love hopscotch. Asma smiled. Ha 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 ha. John cackled. I think Asma means hopscotch, Mr. Jefferson said. But hopscotch is a game, not a sport. Yes, hopscotch, Asma said in a low voice. Well, then have a seat and read this guide booklet and watch us all play today. Mr. Jefferson blew the whistles for others to take their positions. In recess, Asma sat alone. Hello, Asthama. Girls strolled by her table and snickered. Asma head bent low. I nudged Josh. See what you have done. What? He shrugged. You started it all. Hello, Asthama stuff. I? She says so herself. You know she is learning English. Why do you care? Emily, sitting next to Josh, spotted. Laughter sizzled around the table. Josh guffawed. My cheeks burned. I glared at my friends' faces, glowing up in a roar of laughters. They had no space for me and my views. They would never be generous enough to accept an outsider among them. I took a deep breath, got up from the table, and headed for Asma's table. Hey Asma, can I share a table with you? Asma looked up. Yes, a faint smile tinged her face. Asma stared at me. You look weird. Never mind. I didn't want to tell her what had just happened. You can tell. I not tell no one. I sighed. I just don't have to bring for the blessings basket. Worry not. I has lots of bangle sets. Bangle sets? No way. That's not for the boys. I thought she wouldn't understand. Thanks, but I think no, listen. My mom run a stall on mall. She says handicrafts. You can. No, thanks. I cannot buy. No, listen. You come to stall, sell something, get money, and buy what you like. I will sell bangles there. Are you sure? Yes, I think we enjoy together. She smiles. Thanks. I smiled back. Thank you so much. This was the topic of our today's storytelling session.